Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This one will feature short to short hair transformations as well as long to short. So let's jump right in. First girl is absolutely stunning, but moving right on to number 2. So for number 2, she starts things off with a bob. And this one was more of like a classic bob, and the stylist is kind of giving her more of an undercut bob for the transformation. I think that this second look is definitely head turning. The makeup, everything is perfection. Loving the copper toned hair. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Moving on to look number 3, this is also going to be another short to short transformation. He is shaving off the sides and just kind of cleaning up her bob and turning it more into an undercut slash kind of bob hairstyle. This is really giving me kind of like paw vibes, or maybe more of like a pixie, because it is kind of that in-between length where you don't really know if it is a pixie haircut or if it is a bob haircut or if it is a pixie haircut. It's kind of pretty much a mashup of all three. So the next transformation is going to be a long to short, and I apologize if you guys have seen this particular clip before, but this transformation is absolutely amazing. She starts off with super long hair, and he cuts it into a very short bob, another undercut bob. And I'm really starting to think that the stylist is known for his undercut bob haircuts, because it's a look that we definitely see all the time from him. So this is definitely a look that he has managed to perfect, and she looks absolutely gorgeous with this transformation. Next up, we are going to see a gorgeous bob getting turned into a pixie. She has naturally curly hair, so the fullness that she's able to achieve with her hair being short is definitely a blessing. Love her hair texture. And she's also getting her makeup done. Very soft rose colors. And the look is just absolutely stunning. Such a gorgeous pixie haircut. This length to me and the style with the bangs and everything is definitely classic pixie. You can look at this and tell that's a pixie haircut. Sometimes some of these styles you really just cannot tell if it is a bob or a pixie or an undercut. And there's so many different names for these haircuts nowadays, it just gets so confusing. I don't know if I'm the only one who has that same type of mindset, but if that's how you feel as well, leave me your thoughts in the comments below. But this is absolutely perfection. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching these transformations. Leave me your comments and your thoughts, and I'll talk to you in the next one.